Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 74. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson we will solve linear equations with fractions. And let's dive into it. We are given to solve 3 over 2 y minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1 over 5y. What we do here, first of all, in order to get rid of our fractions, is find the lowest or least common denominator, denominator between all the values in the denominator of our equation. So we have 2, and then we have 3, and we have 5. So how do we find the least common denominator? We find the least common denominator by actually finding multiples of each number until we get to the common one for all 3. And um, we take that one as the lowest common denominator. So with the 2, we have 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, oops, 26, 28, 30, and so on and so forth. And then we try 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. And then we try 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 6 is 30, etc., etc. So you find that in this case, 30 is our common denominator. So that means we need to multiply 30 by every term in our equation. So our new equation will be 3 2y, all divided by 30 minus 30 multiplied by 2 over 3. And this is equal to 30 times 1 over 5y. So when we multiply 30 by 3 over 2y, we have 1 here and we have 15 here. So this will be 45y minus 30 multiplied by 2 over 3. 3 will be ones, and 3 here will be 10. So it's minus 20, and this will equal to 30 multiplied by 1 over 5y. 5 will be ones, and 5 here will be 6. So this will equal to 6y. So we have 45y minus 20 is equal to 6y. Okay, let's follow here. Oh, no, we can actually scroll down a bit. Yeah. So again, we are aiming at um, isolating y. And so we can start off by saying, okay, let's subtract 6y from both sides. 6y. Then we will have 45y minus 6y will give us 39y. Oops. Be 39y minus 20 is going to give us 0. Then we have to add 20 on both sides. So 39y will equal to 20. And if we divide it by 39, then y will equal to 20 divided by 39. After we've divided both sides by 39. And this will end up being our final answer. All right? Okay, so if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. And bye for now.